early morning on the road today. Hey, hey. The sun is blazing on A1A.
Sometimes you run out of fresh at the wrong time. Hey, you said no animal. You said no animal. Walter, you asked for no animal styles day, and you're ruining people's meals over here. You're trying to enjoy family time, and you're not going to speak to the manager. That's just absurd.
Why'd you bark?
Oh, because
Why'd you bark?
I was letting him listen to Walter.
Hey, quit licking your asshole.
Oh, nice.
What? Stop it.
So if you go out into the woods today, hey, hey, beneath the maple